What's the meaning of alley-oop? Alley-oop. 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 Alley-oop.
Alley-oop is a term used in basketball to describe a play where one player throws the ball to another player who jumps and catches it mid-air before dunking it into the basket. The passer throws the ball in a high arc towards the basket, allowing the receiver to catch and dunk it in one fluid motion. This move requires excellent coordination and timing between the two players involved and is often used as a crowd-pleasing play. Alley-oops can result in spectacular dunks and serve as a momentum shift in games.